People, so this is a review of Spice Story Szechuan dipping chutney. Ayush, take that is cheese paratha that we have on our plate. Ayush,
Tastes good. Just not fitting for cheese paratha.
Okay, and now try this homemade Dabur Imli sauce. Just pour some and then, because our viewers can pretty much trust Ayush's judgment, because right now, as of today, a brand contacted us saying that they want Ayush to review their non-veg place. So, ooh, that's a lot. Yeah. So that's a lid over there. And Ayush, you're supposed to eat a roti like a roti paratha. Okay, so it's I like the explanation my child gave. He said Szechuan sauce.
Szechuan sauce.
Okay, from Spice Story.
5.3 out of 10. The Imli sauce 2.
2. Ayush, if I send it to Dabur, that'll be. But Szechuan chutney seems to be a clear winner. So Spice Story, good job. I think this is a product that people should try. So on that note, thanks for watching.
And please subscribe.
Okay.